Unit 3 features a number of consultation tools for the review and analysis of our point cloud. As you can see, this file has been sent to us externally, and the use of MDT Vision enables us to see it fully activated. And as we have said, it is an external file. We did not create it, and as such, we do not know how it was conducted in the field. Zooming in, we can see there are large blank areas, in addition to a number of separated areas in the point cloud. Executing the MDT Points Information command provides us with a statistic on our point cloud. In fact, it is informing us that we have 0 height points. Well, if we go to MDT Points Check, by loading our points file, we can view them from the TCP MDT Point Visor, in which, if we establish the NXYZ input format, we can view and move our point cloud in 3D to enable us to verify a series of 0 height points in the lower part and in the other corner, which would not fail if we executed our digital terrain model. Fine, but what are these points? Let us return to CAD to see the area and execute the MDT Points List Points command. As a search criterion, we are going to select heights between the minimum and maximum equal to 0. The system detects 10 points and then provides us with a list of the NXYZ code coordinates and level of the points. We have several printing options, and in our case, we are going to draw them. We have the list of the 0 height points, but where are they? We can use the MDT Points Locate Point command to see the location, whereby the command line asks us for the number of points, which we insert, and we then need a location margin, for example, 10 meters, which is shown here. We are going to repeat this process with another point. For example, number 622 with a location margin equal to 10 meters. And here we have it, in the area in which we said there is no density of points. Another means of obtaining this list of points labeled on the screen is using the MDT Points Label Points command, where we can use the most recent selection, in this case, the 10 previous points. We accept, and can then choose which features or characteristics we wish to represent. We accept, and then see our list of points after designating a point on the screen.